This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to update Hyundai Palisade software. Begin by parking safely, switching ignition to ACC, and connecting to a stable Wi-Fi network. Check that the battery is above 50% or use a charger to avoid interruption. Open Settings, navigate to Software Update, and note the current version and serial number. If an update is available, download but do not install until you have at least 30 minutes uninterrupted. To download and install the update, tap Download Update and wait while files transfer over Wi-Fi. The process may take 10 to 30 minutes depending on size and speed, so remain patient and avoid starting the engine or using major electronics. Once download finishes, choose Install and keep the vehicle powered. The system will reboot automatically, sometimes twice. After installation, revisit About System to confirm the new software version and restart any paired devices if needed. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a practical book that can change how you think about money and savings, and it pairs well with planning big expenses like a new Palisade. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy value like this, consider picking it up. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into trouble, start by rebooting the head unit and trying the update again. Simple resets fix many issues. Swap to a stronger Wi-Fi or use a mobile hotspot if downloads fail or stall repeatedly. Check storage space in the system and clear unused profiles or media if needed. If problems persist, gather your VIN, current version, and any error codes, then contact Hyundai support or visit a dealer for a diagnostic and safe update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.